Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Sue Lady, also known as Sue Lady VSG on all social media. Welcome if it's your first time, and welcome back if you've been here already. Let's get right into the stats. I'm going to make this video really short today. It's a 7-week post-op VSG vertical sleeve gastrectomy update. I had my VSG done with Dr. Salcedo at Pompeii Surgical in Mexico. And my stats, let's get right into it. Highest weight 311, which was February 1st, 2019. Pre-op weight before my pre-op liquid diet 298, which was on the 21st February. Surgery weight 285, which was on March 8th, 2019. And my last week, which was 6 weeks post-op, I was 253.1 pounds. Currently today at my 7-week post-op, I'm 250.9, giving me a loss of 2.2 pounds this week. And since surgery, 34.1 pounds, and total weight loss of 60.1 pounds since February 1st. I'm so excited and happy about that progress. I totally feel like I'm back to myself. I've had a lot of NSVs this week, and this week has been just amazing. Just a little background on me. I am 32 years old. I have children, I work full-time, and I go to school full-time. I am a business major, so I'm very busy. I'm also the president for an honor society called the NSLS, so that keeps me busy as well. And I've just been super jam-packed and busy, and really trying to manage my work, home, and social media life and all that jazz, and school. It's not easy, but it's totally doable. So if anybody out there is wondering, damn, can I do this plus every day, day-to-day stuff, absolutely you can. If you want to do it, you can do it. Let's talk about some NSVs. I went to a couple stores this weekend just because I needed a couple of items for work, because a lot of my clothes is just fitting me too baggy, and when you work in a professional environment, you can't just be looking sloppy. So I just purchased a couple items. I'll insert photos somewhere in here. And y'all, I'm down from a 2-3X to like a large, extra large. From an 18-20 pants, I'm down to like a 14-16. I was wearing a large in a Target pair of pants that I'm wearing. An extra large in a Target pair of pants that I'm wearing today. I can't believe the way that my body is changing, and how 60 pounds has made such a huge difference in my face, in my body. And I'm really happy with the results. I'm really looking forward to trying to lose that 100 pounds by November, which is my birthday, and see if I can get to my goal by the end of the year. I know that you can lose the most weight in the beginning. That's why I'm really so focused on doing this now and here and taking advantage of my tool. But I feel amazing. I fit in this car. I have so much space between my steering wheel. I'm going to put some photos up here. I'm going to show you guys photos. I don't know if I'm going to show it now or I'm going to show it later, but I'll show you guys some photos. And I feel great. My family, my husband joined the gym with me. My son is gonna start going to the gym with me this weekend. My sister's moving down from Pennsylvania, and she's joining the gym with me. So I have like a big family group when we go to the gym starting next week. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the way that my journey is unfolding, and I'm excited, and everything has been amazing. My husband agreed to do a husband tag, which I will be doing most likely next week. So stay tuned for that. I'm really happy. I don't know what else to say. I've gotten reached out by a lot of people who need some inspiration or just need somebody to talk to, and I'm more than happy to always do that. And it's been great. My templates that I created on my website, and also to help me on my journey, have really been helping me to just really understand what I've been doing to lose the weight. And I've been continuing to be consistent. Consistency is so key. I don't cheat, and not to say that if you do, have something here and there that's not on the plan, it doesn't mean that you're not gonna excel. But for me, myself, I am trying to be the most focused and 100% in. I do not want to go back to those habits, and I am not going to. And I really feel that that mindset has made me successful thus far. And it's the hardest thing I've ever done, guys. VSG surgery is not easy. It's the hardest thing I've ever done. But it is the most it is the most gratifying, and I feel I've gotten the most out of. And it's all worth it. So I'm not gonna make this a long video, but I feel great, and I will see you guys next week with a bonus video of my husband tag. I'm probably gonna try to do it this weekend, maybe Saturday, and try to post it as soon as I can. But guys, I'm so excited. Please don't forget to go check me out on Instagram, SueLadyVSG. I post on a daily basis things that I eat, what I'm looking like, etc., etc., my before and after photos, some tips and tricks that I have, some recipes. My website is SueLadyVSG.com. Feel free to come and DM me or add me on social media and come follow me and let me follow you back. I love to support others. And always remember, be nice to one another. Always try to support one another. If you don't have support, find it. I'm here for you. And I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you have a great week.